Okay, I would like to show the how to upload your Django project to the Python Anywhere. To host your Django project to the Python Anywhere, you need to create the free account. If you create the free account, you will see like this. Yeah, I will upload the one project and open the batch in here and test mine. Okay, I want to upload this Django project and I will copy the git clone and paste it in here. Yeah, it finished downloading. After that, I will check the content of the file and I will enter my Django project on my computer. Okay, I will create the file emp mp. Okay, and after that, I will install the this requirement step by step, one by one. I will first install the Django. Okay, yeah, I already installed this Django. After that, I will install this one. Okay, Django auth. This one I already installed, and this crispy form installation is installing finished, and the next one is Django country. Um, okay, installation is processing. It finished. I will choose the another one, Stripe payment gateway, and this is in here. It's installing. Okay, it finished, and I will install the payload. Okay. After finish that, I need to make the migration process. Yeah, no change to this, and I also need to migrate. Okay, after finish this, I will go to the what and I copy this one and in here. In here, I will open the what and add a new word application, and I will choose the next and choose manual configuration. I choose the Python 3.10 version next. Okay, firstly, I create the env file, env file in here, env file. Okay, yeah, it's already created. After created, I have to go to edit in here, WSGI file. And in this file, this one, I will, okay, in here, I have to remove the import OS and import SYS and uh, this one also, this one, okay, yeah. I will explain the one thing. In here, in batch file, my project is that uh, Django e-commerce. So uh, I put the Django, I put the digital e-commerce in. Uh, okay, sorry. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, okay. In here, I will paste in my site in here. And I will explain one more thing. In here, my real project is running in a demo. Running in a demo setting. The reason of why I have to change my site to demo, and after finish that, I made the save the file and save the file and uh save the file and I go to the um main directory, and now I have to edit the I have to edit the um I have to edit the demo setting of by setting of by and okay in to and auto host. If that is true, auto host, I have to open the my hosting name. My hosting name is in here. I have to copy. I have to copy this one. I have to copy this one and paste this in here, and I make the save. After save it and I made to reload the my pages. Oh, I forgot one more thing. In here, I in here, I use the static env, so I need to change the directory in the setting of py. In here, static in env. Okay, this is in here and save and reload again. Okay, after finish this, I have to go to my project. Yeah, the project is really work now. Yeah, this is the today I'm sharing. Thank you for all for thank you for all